Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your GMC Envoy in neutral. We will cover the simple, everyday method, as well as an easy override technique for when your shifter is stuck or you don't have a key. Always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake and ensuring the vehicle is on level ground before attempting any of these steps. For the standard method, first make sure your engine is running or the ignition is turned to the on position. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. While keeping the brake engaged, simply move your gear shifter from its current position, like park or drive, directly into neutral. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. If your shifter is locked or you lack a key, you can use the shift lock override. Gently pry up the trim panel or shifter boot around the gear selector. Look for a small silver button or lever on the right side of the shifter mechanism. Press this button firmly with a small screwdriver or similar tool, then you can move the shifter into neutral. Safety is paramount when putting your Envoy in neutral. Always engage the parking brake before and after shifting gears, especially if the engine is off. Make sure your vehicle is on a completely flat and stable surface to prevent any unexpected rolling. For detailed, model-specific information, always refer to your GMC Envoy's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.